What is greatness? Is it power, wealth, fame, or something deeper? Something eternal? The world celebrates influence, success, and dominance, but heaven measures greatness differently. Today we uncover the truth about true greatness. What it is, why it matters, how it was lost, and how you can attain it. According to the dictionary, greatness is the quality of being great in size, skill, or achievement, a position of power, success, or respect, the magnitude or degree of something. But true greatness goes beyond human definitions. True greatness is greatness as measured on the heavenly scale. All the works of God carry the signature of His greatness, from the stars in the sky to the breath in your lungs. When God created man, He gave him dominion, authority over the earth and its creatures. Man was not created small. Man was created to reflect divine greatness. God Himself reigns in power and glory, and He designed humanity to share in His dominion. So yes, greatness is not optional. It is part of your divine design. But something went wrong. When man disobeyed God, he lost his position. The deceiver took advantage, and humanity fell from its original greatness. Sin distorted our purpose. Pride replaced humility. Self replaced God. But the story did not end there. Through obedience to Christ, what was lost can be restored. The redeemed will once again inherit the greatness that was lost in Eden. Greatness is not gone forever. It is recoverable. Let's look at one of history's most powerful rulers, King Nebuchadnezzar. Born into royalty, trained in leadership, warfare, and governance. He rose to power quickly. He defeated mighty nations, expanded his empire, and built Babylon into a wonder of the world. He had everything: power, wealth, influence, glory. But there was a problem: pride. Despite being used by God for divine purposes, his heart became lifted. He began to believe his greatness was self-made. To teach him a lesson, God humbled him. Nebuchadnezzar lost his throne, his sanity, and his dignity, until he learned one truth. True greatness is not power. It is not dominance. It is goodness. It is humility. It is alignment with God. Those who humble themselves will be exalted. Humility is not weakness. It is the foundation of true greatness. God has given every person gifts. Do not bury them. Grow them. Multiply them. Greatness is not about being served, but serving others. The more lives you impact, the greater you become. True greatness flows from obedience. Those who walk in alignment with God walk in lasting greatness. So what is greatness? It is not what the world applauds, but what heaven approves. It is not built on pride, but on humility. Not on self, but on God. The question is no longer, do you want to be great? The real question is, will you choose the path that leads to true greatness? If this message inspired you, share it with someone today. Because greatness is not just achieved, it is lived.